Hello guys, if Instagram automatically deletes your story highlights and you don't know how to fix it, so this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you how to fix automatically uh, highlights deleting in Instagram. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Instagram, then you should have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on three lines on the upper right corner, and here tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, then here tap on search bar and search for story and open it, and here scroll down a little bit, and here you can see save story to archive. If it is turned off in your Instagram, so please enable it. It will not let the stories to delete automatically. And the second solution, if you mistakenly delete the story highlight, that is another reason. And the third reason is that if you have clear your Instagram data and your phone settings, so that is another reason. When you come to your phone setting and tap on apps and notification, and here you are deleting the data of your Instagram, that is another reason. So I hope this video will help. Thanks, goodbye.